आयज आमगे वॉर्ड पंच इनासून मिटींग दवरलोले आनी ती स्टोरी सगळी वाड्यातली लोक येयला हिंगा आनी हे मिटींग आमी दवरला कारण हिंगा आमगे वॉटर बॉडी ब्लॉक केला आनी लँड फिलिंग केला आनी तेज लागून सगळी हिंग एकठांय जालाय आयज. आता आमी हे मिटींग दवरला आनी वी हॅड आर एक्स पंचेस ऑल्सो हू आर देयर हियर. ती सगळी एकठांय जालाय and Sir Avartan also has come along with the villagers here to address this issue. So this issue is basically because of the land filling that is taking place at Sinquetim. So right now it is decided during the meeting that we collectively gather here and take signatures so that we can tomorrow inform the flying squad and get an inspection done by them, and thereafter we'll I've drafted a letter, so the signatures are taken today. Tomorrow we'll be getting our inwards for the same. So we're hoping for the best for this issue, so that the concerned authorities step into this, look into this, and this issue is resolved. And we need to look into it since there are many places that's land filling going on and things have been ignored. So these things cannot be ignored. It is tomorrow we are going to be suffering out here. So if we want to see a bright future, we want our generations not to face any global problems. So we need to come out and voice our opinions. आणि हे काम आमकडे एकले जावपाना, सगळ्यान फुडें सरपाचें.
Subject complaint against illegal land filling at Sinquetim. Respected Sir, Madam, we the undersigned would like to bring to your immediate attention the issue of illegal land filling that is currently taking place at Sinquetim Navali. Under survey number so and so, I don't know the survey number.
So I have to skip that part then.
This activity is being carried out without any permission from the concerned authorities and is causing serious environmental, structural and safety concerns for the surrounding areas. The illegal dumping and filling of land at this site has already resulted in obstruction of natural water flow and increased risk of flooding, damage to nearby properties and public pathways, potential harm to local biodiversity, violation of land use regulations and environmental norms. This unlawful activity continues. If this unlawful activity continues, we fear that if immediate action is not taken, it may lead to irreversible damage and pose a threat to public safety. We therefore request the concerned department to conduct an urgent inspection of the site, take necessary legal action against the offenders, stop the illegal land filling activity immediately, restore the affected area as per government regulations. Photographic evidence and witness details to support this complaint are hereby attached. We kindly request your prompt intervention in this matter. Your action will help prevent further environmental degradation and protect the interests of residents in the area. Thank you for your attention.
If you want, you can add anything. I'll give you the draft. Add whatever you want to, but it has to go in common, not just with the.
Yes, survey number.
Survey number. I don't have it, so I kept the space there so that I.
Neighboring whoever is there.
Then I can come and connect the signature. I have drafted an application. I take the signatures. Yourself. Yes, I have got the application. Okay, so now we'll proceed with the panchayat. No, I have addressed it to TCP. I have addressed it to the collectorate. I have addressed it to the flying squad. I have addressed it to 4 people. So that we are on the safer side.
No, flying squad.
We have to give it. We have to give it. But that application has to be signed by you. It cannot be like just one person representing. So right now, all the and all the neighbors were aware. It seems about 4 months this was going on. Almost 4 months. All
Today morning 8 o'clock there was one truck which came.
And Panchayat will not follow this thing.
Then
yes, but we have to call the stop. The next step is we need to call the After that, there's nothing filed as of now by anyone, nor us, nor me. So we went in. So the next step is follow the blind spot. And while we follow the blind spot, we see that all are present. Just like we gathered here, we need to gather there. And I'll call them tomorrow morning at 10. So that, yes, we have to follow the blind spot because until they don't give a report, we can't go proceed further. So they need to come, inspect the site, and then we get the clarity on the next step. So first thing is tomorrow we need to follow the blind spot.